I survived the challenge of burning belly fat by sticking to a straightforward and effective daily routine. I spent weeks searching for exercises that would fit seamlessly into my busy life, and I finally discovered a simple approach that worked wonders. I saved time and frustration by focusing on just a few targeted exercises. My routine included basic moves like bicycle crunches, leg raises, and plank holds. Each exercise was designed to specifically target and burn belly fat, making it easier to see results. I built this habit into my day by doing these exercises in the morning. And despite facing some initial soreness and days when motivation was low, I persisted. The transformation was remarkable. I got noticeable results in just a few weeks. My belly fat began to melt away, and I felt more energized and confident. The mental boost was just as significant. I felt empowered and motivated by the progress I was making. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Consistency was key to my success. I tracked my progress by taking weekly photos and measuring my waistline. Celebrate the small victories and stay dedicated to your routine. With these simple exercises, you can achieve incredible results and transform both your body and mind. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Give these exercises a try and see how a few minutes a day can make a big difference. Your journey to a healthier, more confident you starts today.